Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Discord account on PC or laptop. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Discord is a free chat tool mainly aimed at gamers, which enables you to play screen sharing games with other games. To use it, you need to have a Discord account. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create Discord account on your phone. But now, what if you want to create it on your PC or your laptop? It's so simple. So first, you can just open your Discord app or you can open the Discord from your website on the Google. You can search for Discord. Choose on Discord. And here, there is an option login. You can just click on that. If you haven't have a Discord account, you can just create a new one. You can click on register. You can enter your email. You can enter your display name. You can create a username. Like this. You can enter password. You can create password for your Discord. You can enter your birth date, the date, year. It's optional. It's okay to send email if you want to. If you want to, Discord send you updates about Discord, you can checklist on it. But if you don't want, you can just remove the checklist. Now you can just click on continue. You can confirm like this. Now you can verify. Click on verify. And it's done. Here's your Discord account. You can create your first Discord server if you want to. Like this. Got it. So you can start add friends to your Discord. You can create server and playing games with your friends on Discord with Discord as the communication. So simple, right? So that is how to create Discord account on PC or laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.